All right, friends, I have a new website I would like to introduce to you. First of all, I want to mention that we have links on the Rogers Elementary website to our social media accounts. If you haven't joined yet, you can click right on each social media link and it'll take you to our school accounts. Don't forget, you can get to Symbaloo by clicking on student links and it'll take you right to our Symbaloo webmix. So just today we added a new link. It's BrainPOP. Some of your teachers may already have accounts for you or have used it and you may be familiar. But if you click on BrainPOP, it's going to ask you to log in. Our username is Rogers Elementary. The password is Raptors20. RAPTORS 20. Okay, and you have options to read about science, social studies, English, math, arts and music, health and social and emotional learning, engineering and tech. So check it out. Have fun exploring.